Some people can have fun putting money down on just about anything. If you're anything like me, though, you want to know that every single dollar you put on the table has the best possible chance of winning money. Now, there are games that are horrible decisions to play if you want any kind of chance at making money, but there's a small list of games that have near even odds against the casino. Here they are. If played with perfect strategy, you lower the house advantage to less than 1%. People such as Don Johnson have made off with tens of millions at this game from the casino, so you know it's worth at least a look. Perfect strategy is easy to memorize and with a little bit of practice can be quickly mastered. I will say that there are a lot of variations of blackjack. Keep in mind that if it's not a standard blackjack table, then any little rule that they've created, no matter how fun it sounds, was only made to give the house more of an advantage. Stick to the regular blackjack. If betting on the banker in Baccarat, it's a 1.06 advantage to the casino. The player bet gives them a 1.24% advantage. Both bets are good enough that it is very possible to make a profit. It's a very simple game and your odds can be multiplied by adding a simple betting strategy to it. They say that there are video poker machines out there that, with perfect strategy, can give you, instead of the house, the advantage. However, these machines are very rare and I've never found one, so usually you'll have to settle for a less than 1% disadvantage. This game is a ton of fun. I like to use it to give my mind a break from the table games. The even odds outside bets in roulette have a 2.6% disadvantage. With all the variations and combination of bets that can be made, this is an excellent money-making option. That should keep you busy enough for a little bit. Research your games before you play, stay in control of your bets, and good luck out there.